Hey guys, welcome back. It is Tuesday, April the 14th. We're starting off today with the second Support Your Local Box workout. This will be workout number 2. If you'd like more information on the Support Your Local Box fundraiser, head over to games.crossfit.com. Workout number 2 is a workout for time. We will complete 100 double unders. If you do not have a jump rope, you can do 50 lateral jumps instead, followed by 21 burpees. 75 double unders or 35 lateral jumps, 15 burpees, 50 double unders or 25 lateral jumps, 9 burpees. This workout is for time. It should be short and fast. Moving on to part B, we have 5 rounds for quality. We have 30 seconds of weighted squats, followed by 30 seconds of rest. We have 30 seconds of pressing, followed by 30 seconds of rest. And we have 30 seconds of V-ups, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Again, 5 rounds of each of these movements until we are completed. Good luck. We're excited to hear how you did. Post your comments to our notes.